Hello students, I am Dr. Nidhi Kulsrestha and today we will learn about a very important and interesting topic, that is nitrogen cycle. Now a question arises, what is nitrogen? Nitrogen is a chemical element of atomic number 7, a colorless, odorless, inert gas that forms about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. Nitrogen was discovered in 1772 by chemist and physician Daniel Rutherford. Nitrogen is very important for all of us. Plants need nitrogen to grow. It is present in DNA, RNA, amino acids, ATPs, chlorophyll, and in most of the vitamins. Nitrogen is a key nutrient element for plants. However, there is abundant nitrogen in the atmosphere, but it cannot be used directly by plants or animals. Now we come to nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical process which transforms the inert nitrogen present in the atmosphere to a more usable form for living organisms. So we can say that through this nitrogen is converted into many forms, consecutively passing from atmosphere to the soil, then to plant and then to animals, and then after decaying come back to soil and then into the atmosphere again. And that is how nitrogen percentage in atmosphere remains constant. Nitrogen cycle involves several processes, but three main processes are nitrogen fixation, nitrification, and denitrification. First, very important process of nitrogen cycle is nitrogen fixation. It is completed by symbiotic bacteria which are known as rhizobiums. These bacteria consist of a nitrogenase enzyme which has the capability to combine gaseous nitrogen with hydrogen to form ammonia. Nitrogen fixation can also occur by the atmospheric fixation, which involves lightning. The process of converting atmospheric nitrogen into biologically available nitrogen is called nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixing organisms can be of two types. These may be free living or they may show symbiosis. Now, here is a trick to remember the name of different nitrogen fixing organisms. Free living bacteria means they don't show any symbiosis. Here you can see some examples of free living as well as symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Here in this picture you can see a free living organism, that is cyanobacteria, and you can also see the root nodules of leguminous plant in which symbiotic bacteria live. Now we will see how ammonia will be converted into nitrogenous substances through the process of nitrification. In this process, nitrites are formed by the oxidation of ammonia with the help of Nitrosomonas bacterium species. Later, the produced nitrites are then converted into nitrates by Nitrobacter. This conversion is very important as ammonia gas is very toxic for plants. In this picture, you can see how ammonia is converted to nitrite and then to nitrate. Now we come to third important process, that is denitrification. Denitrification is the process in which the nitrogenous compound makes its way back into the atmosphere by converting nitrates into gaseous nitrogen. This process of nitrogen cycle occurs in the absence of oxygen. Denitrification is carried out by the denitrifying bacteria species. These are mainly Clostridium and Pseudomonas. Now an amazing video is here through which you can understand nitrogen cycle in a better way. So let's see.